Your robot vacuum knows the exact layout of your home. It maps every room, every wall, every piece of furniture, and uploads that data to the cloud. Researchers have shown some models can even be turned into roving microphones. And it's not just vacuums. Your smart doorbell, baby monitor, and thermostat all sit on your Wi-Fi with default passwords nobody changed. In 2016, a botnet called Mirai hijacked thousands of cheap IoT cameras and took down half the internet's biggest sites. Here's the fix. Put smart devices on a separate guest Wi-Fi network. Change default logins immediately. Update firmware whenever prompted. And ask yourself before buying, does this toaster really need internet? Because every device you plug in is another door into your life. Who's holding the keys?